Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, we're going to be looking at day number 16 of our Birchbox advent calendar. Okay then guys, in box number 16 we have this Lumene, I'm not entirely sure how that's pronounced, I do apologise. And it's this Nordic Sea Glow Reveal Peeling Mask. So it says that it contains vitamin C, wild Arctic cloudberry, fruit acids and Arctic spring water. Okay, so this isn't a full-size item, it is more of a sample size, perhaps maybe like a luxury sample. And in here we get 15 mils. When I looked online, the full-size version is 75 mils and that costs £16.90. So I still think we're getting a decent bit of money's worth in here. Now, I don't know how many uses it will use and I haven't used it yet, but I think you might get maybe like 2, 3, it depends how much is actually in the tube. Well, you should get a decent amount of use out of it anyway. So I'm just going to read on the back and let you know what it says. If I get the chance to try it before this video gets uploaded, then I will pop a little video over the top of me using it. And if I don't, I do apologise, it's Christmas is a very busy time of year. Okay then guys, on the back it says, apply a generous amount on dry, clean skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 10 minutes and then wipe off with a dampened cloth. Then rinse skin with warm water. Okie dokie then, so that is the instructions. Now it's saying put a generous amount on, so that's probably letting me think there's maybe more like maybe 2 uses in here. I'm not entirely sure. Like I said, I haven't used it yet, I'm sorry. Just time has been getting away from me recently. Anyway guys, that's our product for today, a nice little addition to our calendar. We've definitely got plenty of skincare treats in there. So again, if you've liked this video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already, because there's a video every single day this month. And there's a giveaway coming very soon. I have all the things, I just haven't filmed it yet, so keep an eye out. Until next time then guys, thank you very much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye.